Grifin Finance app. The pros, the cons. Grifin Finance is a mobile investment app aiming to simplify portfolio management, but how effective is it? Starting with the pros. First, user-friendly interface. The app is designed to make investing simple, even for beginners. Second, goal-based investing. Users can set financial objectives and track progress easily. Third, automated investing. Grifin allows you to automate contributions, helping build wealth consistently over time. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited investment options. Grifin focuses mostly on ETFs, which may not satisfy those seeking individual stocks or alternative assets. Another drawback is fees. While relatively low, recurring fees may affect long-term returns if not managed carefully. The surprising truth? Most people overestimate the difficulty of consistent investing. Grifin demonstrates that simplicity and automation often outperform sporadic manual trades. In conclusion, the pros: simplicity, goal tracking, and automation make Grifin appealing for beginners. The cons: limited options and fees suggest advanced investors may need additional platforms for diversification and control.